Hello guys, welcome to Otafuja Super TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can get back or recover your banned WhatsApp account or banned WhatsApp number. So if you have not yet subscribed, do so and click on the notification button. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. As I've already said, today I'm going to show you how you can recover your banned WhatsApp number or WhatsApp account. If you have not yet subscribed, please click on the notification bell so that anytime you upload this video you get. So you open your WhatsApp app, then you go to the you go to the three dotted lines here. So here we have new group, new broadcast, link devices, stirred messages and settings. So you click on the settings. Okay, the first one says accounts, and the second one chat, the third one notification, the fourth one storage and data, the fifth one which is help, and then the sixth one invite a friend. So you click on help. Okay, we have help center, contact us, terms and privacy policy. Okay, you click on contact us. So the contact us, okay, here they said include. Okay, here you chat them. Please, you chat them by typing please my WhatsApp my WhatsApp number was my WhatsApp number was blocked, but I don't know the reason why. Okay, please, my WhatsApp number was blocked, but I don't know the reason why. Please help. Then after that, you click on next. Okay, we have how to stay safe on WhatsApp, how to use WhatsApp responsibly, about blocking and reporting contact, about safely communicating with WhatsApp support, how to block and report a contact, information for law enforcement authorities, about using one WhatsApp account on multiple phones or with multiple phone numbers, can't download or update WhatsApp, how to verify your phone number and stolen account. So here you come down here, seeing the message, your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp, contact for help. Okay, and we updated our terms and blah blah blah. Okay, how to register for the WhatsApp business account, about temporary banned accounts and problems sending. Okay, you click on seeing the message, your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp accounts. Okay, you scroll down here. If you become banned, you will receive the following message within the WhatsApp app. Okay, I'm sending a message. Okay, click next. Okay, I'm coming to chat them. As I've already said, I'm going to chat them. Okay, the message is Thanks for your message. Thank you for reporting a potential violation of our terms of service. Just like regular SMS or phone calls, it is possible for other WhatsApp users who have your phone number to contact you, even if they are not in your phone address book. We work diligently to try to reduce any spam messages that come through our service and treat this as an important issue. Please block anyone who is sending you unwanted messages. This will prevent the person from contacting you again and will help us identify the user as someone who is potentially abusing our service. If appropriate, you may wish to contact local law enforcement officials regarding the person reporting a message. So I'm coming to chat them again as I've already chatted them. Okay, in the message box I'll type please my WhatsApp number was okay. Then here you type your WhatsApp number. So this one here you can't see, so I'm hiding it. You type the WhatsApp number that they have banned. You type in there. Make sure you type in the correct WhatsApp number that they have banned. The WhatsApp number that they banned. Type in that WhatsApp number. Then after that you send, as you send normal messages on WhatsApp. Okay, I've sent them. Okay, I'm waiting for them to reply my message again so that I will know how they can help me. Please, I'm making a lot of tutorial videos on my channel. Please, if you want to join the family of my videos, or if you want to get any video I'll upload on my channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. If you didn't click on the notification bell, you won't get the videos that I'm posting. It's just by subscribing it. So please make sure you click on the notification bell so that you will be part of the family of tutorial videos, which is helpful. Okay, here the link, their WhatsApp website link, which is highlighted in blue. You click on the WhatsApp website, which is www.whatsapp.com, so that it will take you to their website for you to continue the process there. Okay, here we have key update, terms of services, privacy policy, California privacy notice, privacy shelf, intellectual property policy, cookies, payments, WhatsApp shops, privacy policy, WhatsApp data notice for blah blah blah. Okay, here we have WhatsApp business terms and okay here. Okay, let me calm down here. Okay, the down here we are having many there. Okay, so click on help center. Okay, we have download and installation, verification, accounts and profile, contacts, and many more. Okay, you have account and profile, chat, contacts, voice and video calls, security and privacy status, troubleshooting temporary band. So you click on temporary band. So after sending the message, within 24 hours you will be able to access your WhatsApp account. After they banned mine, that is why I did this video in the process where I was applying for them to release the ban from mine. So I hope within 24 hours you will be able to access to your WhatsApp account. Follow my steps, don't skip any part. So you go to the search bar and type band. So after that you search. Okay, about temporary band accounts. Seeing message blah 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 about bounce account. Okay, you scroll down. Okay, click on seeing the message your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp. Okay, if you become banned, you will receive the following messages within the WhatsApp business account. Okay, click on yes. Okay, this is the tutorial video. If you want to watch, you can click on it and watch it. Okay guys, this is all about today's video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on notification bell so that you can get new videos whenever I upload videos on my channel. Please comment down below. If any comments, please comment down below and share to your various groups so that this YouTube channel will grow fast on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.